Today I will show you how to create credit notes using our system. You have to click here, add credit note. Then you have to search for your invoice. It automatically fetch all the data. You have to adjust your data and click on save and finalize. You will see it automatically makes a journal entry here. Credit note issued to John Rui, credit note number CN0001. Now you will see here multiple options to send, email, preview, delete, edit and download a PDF. Now you have refund a payment. So you have to just enter here payment, like you have refund 500 rupees. Select a payment date and payment mode. It marks your invoice partial refund and here it makes a journal entry that you have refunded a payment. It automatically tracks all the journal entries like on creation of credit note and when you make a refund to client.